Okay, I'm coming in to do a quick little film of my grocery store haul. I guess you want to call it that. But this is going to be my meal prep for the week. I'm going to go ahead and insert my meal plan. Crystal Breeze, I bought it from her, and I'm kind of following it. She didn't exactly tell us what type of foods to buy, but I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. So I have some chicken breasts that I got from Target on sale for my job. And then this is just the head of cabbage. I didn't really choose a specific one, just one that like looked nice to me. And it's a small head. And then these, I got everything from Kroger's. These were 10 for $8. And they're so good. The first one I tried, this one right here, is a salted caramel brownie. Y'all know it's not gonna taste like a real brownie, but these are like, I don't know, they're really chocolatey and it's just really good. Let me see how many. There's 14 grams of sugar. I don't know if that's probably not too good, but most of them, or all of them, are like 200 calories. And that's like for any protein bar. So I got the strawberry yogurt that you just saw, double dark chocolate. That's the brownie. And then did I not buy the mint? Oh yeah, I put all the mint ones back because I didn't think I was gonna like it. And then so in her meal plan that y'all just saw, it wants a fruit with everything. So I went ahead and I got 8 of these. Well, I guess yeah, the 8th one's over there. But they're little cups. They are 100 calories each, which is not bad. And I'm pretty sure I won't drink all the juice that's in there. And then this is for not this week, upcoming week, but the week after. I'm gonna do some broccoli and cheese. This is not for this week, but quinoa and brown rice. These are so good. I usually get the brown balsamic one, but these are my new ones I got. I went ahead and got some of this. I'm gonna mix it in with maybe my bell peppers or even cabbage, I'm not sure. So this week's meal is the cabbage, the chicken, the bell peppers, the fruit cups. Yeah, and then I got some pickles just for like a snack. It's the Kroger's brand, and they're 0 calories, so that's good, I guess. Some mushrooms. I usually get the canned mushrooms are fresh, but I was like, let me try this one and see. 30 calories for half a cup. That's not bad. I needed some more olive oil because my current one is all out. This is the last one I had. It lasted a long time. It's all empty. Let's go ahead and whip it around. I went ahead and got some V8 strawberry lemonade. I know juices aren't the best. I'm gonna stick to water and lemon, but this is 80 calories for 18 fluid ounce. It's not bad, but I need some juice sometimes. And then almond breeze. I usually get the silk milk, or the silk one, almond, silky, extra silky or whatever, because almond milk to me is super thick, but the silk one has this extra silky one and I love it. But everybody uses this one in their fitness videos, so I was like, let me try it out and see. I have some onion. This is going to be for this week and next week. I like to put onion in my cabbage. And just probably cabbage. The boiled eggs. I usually can do this myself, but I get tired of like peeling the shell. So this was only like $2. This is the 8th cup. Got 8 of them over here. I got fresh lemon. I have this like lemon squeezer that I really like to use. My bell peppers for the week. And then, it says in her meal plan, it says I have 1 protein. So I had 1 protein for the snacks. So this isn't protein, but I think it's really good to have like healthy snacks around. A bunch of carbs, but this is the kettle corn, Kroger's brand. And so I'll probably, if you eat a cup of these, it's only, so 2.5 cups is $140, but I only eat a cup at a time. And then these chips are so good. You should definitely check them out. And then I usually dip my chips in this. And so this is 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. And then the last little snack I can take on the go is these green pea snacks. They're really good. I tried them last year or 2 years ago maybe, and they're good. And then this is what I'm mostly gonna stick to for my protein snacks. Is this I'll have probably like 1/4 cup of almonds, and this counts as the protein. And then this is what I'm gonna marinate my chicken in. You know, I also use some other seasonings, but this is what I bought. I don't really know. It was only 5 calories. But it's 55, because if you multiply that 5 times the 11 tablespoon sizes in the package, it's 55 calories total. And then my last little thing, I wanted to, if I have a little rough day and want to eat pizza or something, this is called Real Good. It was about $7 for this small pizza. I'm crazy, I know. But it's 25 grams, and I'll let you know how it is. This was my food haul for the week.